everyone, welcome back to a new video, and thank you so much for always coming back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare carrot chapatis step by step, and you're going to make this your favorite chapos. So the first thing we're going to do is of course wash our carrots, and I will be using around 4 or 5 carrots. I'll just wash them, then I'll go ahead and start to grate them. The next step, I went ahead and put flour in the basin. Then I'll be adding some sugar and salt in the flour to mix all the dry ingredients together. I'll just be adding one tablespoon of sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I also added a half a tablespoon of salt. Those are the amount I used for 1 kg flour. I was preparing 1 kg of chapati flour. I'll just go ahead and mix up the dry ingredients properly so that they will be well mixed. The next step, I'll be adding my carrots to my flour, and I used 5 carrots. I ended up using 5 carrots. Now I'll just add them to my flour, then I'll mix them well, slowly and properly, to make sure that all the carrots are well mixed with the flour. Then the next step, I'll be adding some oil in the flour. I will be adding a little bit of oil in the flour just to make the dough soft. I'll also be using some oil at the end after I'm done making the dough. Then the next thing I'll be adding is hot water. It is not that hot. Yes, I'll be adding in the flour together with the oil. Then I'll just start making my dough. Slowly by slowly. I've started off with a fork because I thought the water was too hot, but after I started with my hands, I realized it was not that hot. I could easily manage to make the dough with just my hands. So here I'm just mixing them properly, make the dough properly, and I'll be adding water bit by bit. I don't want to use a lot because we don't want our flour to be with too much water. Then our last step in making our dough is just adding some oil at the end of the dough to make it incorporate inside the flour or the dough so that it can be soft. So I've just added some oil. Then I will continue making the dough once again and make sure leave it a soft dough. Then I'll go ahead and cover it and let it stay for 1 hour. So as you can see, this is how our dough looks, and it is very soft. As you can see how I'm pressing, very soft. I'll just go ahead and cover it with aluminium foil. I don't have a cling film. This is what I have for now. I'll just cover it with an aluminium foil, put it away and let it stay for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour and so, this is how our dough looks like. Just look at it. It even looks orange because of the carrot, and this is how soft it is. Yes, the 1 hour that we left it to stay, it even got softer. So we'll just go ahead and start making the smaller doughs. We'll go ahead and put oil again on it. I'll just show you in a few steps, then we'll start making our chapatis. So I went ahead and made all of them. So here, this is the process of making layers if you want to have layers in your chapatis. Then I'll just go ahead and start making the chapos again one by one. I'll again put some flour on my board, put my rolled chapati, then I'll start rolling it slowly to make a round shape, although the first one is usually not round. Yes, so I'll just go ahead and make a round shaped chapo, then I'll put it on the fire to start heating it. As you have seen, this is how we make it flat. I also don't like my chapos to be very thick, so I normally try to make it a little thin. Yes, because thick chapos, to me, they don't cook easily well inside, so that is why I like them a little bit thin, not too thin like the ones in hotels or the ones in vibanda, but just a little bit thick enough and a little bit thin for inside to cook. So this is how I'm making it, and this is the second one. Yes, to me the second one is usually the ones that usually comes out at least rounder. Yes, so I'll just make it flat, then I'll go ahead and put it on the fire to start cooking it. I will first do it on one side, then after I have seen bubbles, I have seen a little bubbles, I will turn it to the other side and also let it cook. Then I will put oil on it and let it cook nicely. So I went ahead and added another one. I like cooking 5 pieces at a go. So this is the first one. As you can see, this is the first one that I had cooked. Look at how it cooked nicely. It has brown patches. This is an indication that it is well cooked, and it is also very soft, as you can see. Yes, so I'll just go ahead and cook the other ones. I like cooking 5 pieces. Look at it, how soft it is, and it even looks cooked inside. Yes, I'll just go ahead and cook the other ones. I like cooking 5 pieces at a go so that I finish fast. So I'll show you how to cook 5 pieces at a go. Yeah, that is how we cook 5 pieces, and this is how they came out. As you can see, they are all well cooked and nicely done inside. So thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a like and share it widely. Thank you so much. See you in my next one.